Your first paycheck just hit $1,842.37. Here's the problem. Nobody taught you what to do next. Not school, not your parents, nobody. And the next 30 days will decide if you become someone who builds wealth for the next 40 years or someone who's still living paycheck to paycheck at 45. I'm going to show you exactly what to do with this money in the next 24 hours, step by step. The same system private bankers don't tell broke clients about. First, notice something. Your paycheck says $1,842.37, but your job actually paid you more than that. Before you even saw this money, the government already took federal tax, state tax, Social Security, and Medicare. About 23% of your paycheck gone automatically before you had a choice. How you can use this. Check your pay stub for something called your withholding. If you're getting a massive tax refund every April, that means you overpaid all year. You gave the government a free loan. Adjust your W-4 so more money lands in your pocket now, not in June next year. Here's what almost every first paycheck earner does wrong. They open the app, see 4 figures, and think, I'm rich. Within a week, half of it is gone on shoes, takeout, and a concert ticket. So here's the rule private wealth managers use with new money clients: the 24-hour split. The moment money lands, before you spend a single dollar, split it 3 ways. Bills and fixed costs, rent, phone, subscriptions, future you, savings and investing, moved to a separate account immediately. Present you, guilt-free spending money. The key word is immediately. If future you money sits in your checking account for even a day, it becomes present you money. Move it out within 24 hours automatically. Before you invest a single dollar, you need something most people build wrong or skip completely. Not a vague save some money idea, a specific number. Add up your essential monthly costs: rent, food, transportation, minimum debt payments. Multiply that by 3. This money does not go into a regular checking account earning 0.01% interest. It goes into a high-yield savings account. The same banks pay you almost nothing on a normal account. They pay 10 to 15 times more if you just move it to the right one. How you can use this. Open a high-yield savings account this week. It takes 10 minutes online, costs nothing, and every dollar you already have starts earning more immediately. Now here's a mistake that costs new employees thousands of dollars, and they never even notice. Most companies offer something called a 401k match. If you put in a percentage of your paycheck, your employer adds free money on top, often up to 3 to 6%. If you don't contribute enough to get the full match, you are turning down a guaranteed 100% return on that money. Something no stock, no crypto, nothing else on earth guarantees. How you can use this. Log into your benefits portal today and confirm you're contributing at least enough to get the full employer match. If you're not sure, this is the single highest value 5 minutes you'll spend all year. If you have debt, credit cards, student loans, here's the order that actually works, not the order that feels good. Any debt charging more than 7 to 8% interest, mainly credit cards, pay that down aggressively before investing extra money. No investment reliably beats a credit card charging 24% interest. Low-interest debt, like most student loans or car loans under 6%, pay the minimum and let your extra money grow instead. Here's a number that sounds fake but isn't. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 22, by 65, you'll have roughly $700,000. Wait until 32 to start the exact same $200 a month. You'll end up with less than half that. That's not a typo. That's compound interest. And it doesn't care how much money you make. It only cares how much time you give it. So once your emergency fund is full and your 401k match is locked in, here's where extra money goes next. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you invest after-tax money, and every dollar it earns for the rest of your life is never taxed again. You can open one in about 10 minutes with almost any brokerage, and you don't need thousands to start. Inside that account, you don't need to pick winning companies. A single low-cost S&P 500 index fund puts your money into the 500 biggest companies in America at once. Automatically diversified, automatically growing with the market. How you can use this. Open a Roth IRA this month. Set up an automatic transfer of even $50 to $100 a paycheck into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund and never touch it. Time will do the rest of the work.